Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Quick bench update for you today. I have a show shout out as well as a channel shout out. Also stopped by Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies today, picked up a few supplies. I want to share those with you, as well as just kind of fill you in on what you're getting ready to see in the next few videos. So let's get to it. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. First up, guys, we got a gift in the mail from our buddy Bill over at Bill's Model Bench, and check that out. If you're not familiar with his channel, by the way, head over, check out the channel. You're going to find some great stuff there. Also, let's keep growing this community. Show him some love. Give him a sub there. And like I said, check out those videos. Great stuff. Bill, thank you so much. And guys, this is one of those big honking mugs. This is not one of those little jobs. So, Bill, you'll be seeing me drink from this one quite often. I love my coffee. And Bill, by the way, is a member of the Cincinnati Auto Replica Model Car Club. And great thing, and that's a lead in to the next thing, and that is their 2026 show. So the Cincinnati Auto Replicas Club is putting on the 2026 Cincinnati Challenge on May the 2nd. So mark your calendar if you're in the area. This is a great show. The theme this year is fins and flares. So from 1950 to 59, those big finned and big fendered cars, there's your theme. The categories are on the back of the, or classes and categories there on the back of the flyer there. And if you want to get a flyer or information, contest info or vendor info, there's your information. Dennis and Randy's emails and phone numbers. So if you're interested, you can pause right there, get that information. I've heard about this show for a long time, and I really would like to make this. I think I've got a conflict this year with the date, but I'm going to double check that. I know a lot of my May and June are kind of booked up, but we'll see. We'll see. But again, great show. Be sure you check it out. I'll be giving them another shout out as time goes on. Okay, Bill, thank you again, buddy. Appreciate it very much. Hobby Shop Haul. Stopped by Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies, as I said, and picked up a little late, but I picked up my copy of Scale Auto's contest cars for 2025. And if you are not familiar with this, you need to grab you a copy, head over to Kalmbach and get you, you can order it offline. And a lot of hobby shops and bookstores carry these too. But as you can see, a lot of shows are covered there. I'm not going to do a page by page or anything, but and by the way, if you ever wonder what they look for when you submit pictures to magazines, there's your submission guides, and that holds true for about all of the magazines too. The do's and don'ts and things like that, so it's worth that. And then again, a lot of great show coverage. So this is another one every year that's just got some great cars in it. Scale Auto's contest cars. Also, while I was there, I had to pick up a little bit of paint. I had to get a little extra primer for my granddaughter Zoe's changing the colors on her car. And to that end, I needed to pick up some more pure white from Tamiya, which we'll be decanting that so she can airbrush it. And, excuse me there. Some more extreme lacquer. I'll be decanting this so she can airbrush it too. She's changed the colors on her VW. I think I shared that with you, but this is what she wanted. And also I was really low on the flat clear, so picked up some more of that, the TS80. So good stuff there. Also picked up, and if you've not used this, it's really a plastic tape, and this is the 3mm. And this comes in 1, 2, 3, I think 5 and 6 millimeter. But this is a plastic tape, so it is, you can curve it, and it leaves no marks behind. I mean, this is good stuff. This is really good stuff. I use it all the time. May have to do a demo on that and show you that stuff. This one's by AK. There's a white version of it that Tamiya makes too, and I use them both. They're both absolutely great stuff. And Mason started carrying STS decals, and this was one I picked up for Amanda. I know we talked about painting the bed in her truck, but I thought, you know what, let's get some of the light colored wood grain and see, and I'm going to let her make ultimately the final decision on that, but we'll see. But if you're in the area of Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies in Spartanburg, hey, be sure to stop in, check out the inventory. Great models, great supplies. They have a tool section that's second to none, and I love it. Okay, now, what's going on? What are we going to be seeing in the next few videos? Well, first up, Amanda has done a little bit of an update as far as cutting off some of the sprue and stuff for the interior on her truck. The tires and wheels are finished. I'll let her explain and show those to you, what she did. Then the 40 modified is coming down. I'm probably going to do this one last, probably in the next day or so. You'll see a video that just everything but the body is finished, and then we'll do a final on it. But I wanted to share with you a few things, and I also had a real headache with that, and I'll share that with you too. Got a couple other things in the works, and I'll be probably doing a video or two this week in addition to Amanda's and mine. So we'll be seeing about that. But wanted to share this with you tonight, guys, and I think that's it. So God bless. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.